Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. Had a surprise this morning in my shop. My boys here that show up for work at 7 o'clock in the morning. I walk in the door and they got T-Mike t-shirts on with logos. How about that? Let's show them, boys. They went out on their own and they bought the shirts and they bought the iron-on patches and did it themselves. I'm so proud of them. So this is Matthew. Y'all all know Matthew. Matthew's been here going on 6 years now.
Sure.
And this is Brandon. He's Matthew's friend that came to work this summer and doing my eBay work, and Matthew's helping me with the motors. So I'm more than excited about the t-shirts, and we have a brainstorm together to buy some online, some embroidered shirts online, and offer them to my subscribers out there. I have almost 4,000 subscribers now. So if y'all are interested in some T-Mike t-shirts, just give me a comment, hit the like button, and give me a comment that you're interested, and we'll be bringing some online. All right? Hope you all enjoyed the video, and just remember, here at T-Mike's, we're doing it
one motor at a time.
See y'all next video.